You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce these words from French, as well as how to say more interesting vocabulary that many get confused by and mispronounce, so make sure to stay tuned to the channel. This word means game, as in a game, playing a game in French, and is said in French as jeu, jeu. So in English it's generally pronounced as jeu, jeu, from French, jeu. And now you know. More videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciations of confusing words. Like and subscribe if you found this video useful. Thanks for your support and thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.